Hello friends, welcome to DDR Academy. In this video I have included the image based questions and this is for the preparation for the staff nurse or nursing officer examinations. So here the picture will be given and you have to get an idea about each image, and the answers are given with a brief explanation. So let me start. First question. Look at the picture and identify. Here the answer is hydrocele. So what is hydrocele? This is the collection of amber fluid within the testis, tunica vaginalis and spermatic cord. It is often first noticed as swelling of the scrotum. So hydrocele is the collection of fluid within the testis and spermatic cord. Second question. Look at the picture and identify the post-mastectomy exercise. Look at the picture and identify post-mastectomy exercise. Answer is pulley tugging. So pulley tugging is a post-mastectomy exercise, which means we have to toss a light rope over a shower curtain rod or doorway curtain rod and stand as nearly under the rope as possible. Then grasp an end in each hand. Extend the arms straight and away from the body. Pull the left arm up by tugging down with the right arm, then the right arm up and the left down in a seesaw motion. Next question. Look at the picture and identify the gland. So what is a gland given in this picture? The answer is prostate gland. So prostate gland means it is a walnut-sized gland located between the bladder and the penis. The prostate is just in front of the rectum. The urethra runs through the center of the prostate from the bladder to the penis, letting urine flow out of the body. And the prostate secretes a fluid that nourishes and protects sperms. So it secretes the fluid, or the prostatic fluid protects the sperms. It is a walnut-sized gland which is located between the bladder and the penis. Next question. Look at the picture and identify waveform. The answer is IABP waveforms. IABP, the intra-aortic balloon, is inflated with helium at the onset of each diastolic period when the aortic valve closes. And the balloon is deflated at the onset of ventricular systole just before the aortic valve opens. That is, the balloon is deflated at the onset of ventricular systole just before the aortic valve opens. And inflation of the balloon increases the peak diastolic pressure and displaces blood towards the periphery. Deflation of the balloon decreases the end diastolic pressure. So this is the IABP waveforms. Next question. Look at the picture and identify the surgical procedure. The answer is vesicostomy. So it is a procedure in which a small opening is made in the lower abdomen, that is just below the belly button, to allow the urine to drain out from the bladder. And this is usually done when there has problems in emptying bladder. So this is vesicostomy. Then next is, look at the picture and identify the condition. What is the condition? The answer is second degree AV block, that is Mobitz 2. Second degree AV block, Mobitz 2. So what is second degree AV block? Here the problem is with bundle of his or bundle branches. So here the bradycardia occurs. As a result, the cardiac output decreases and the BP decreases. Patient becomes symptomatic and progress to more serious block here. And in regarding the P wave, it will be present, but atrial rate is greater than ventricular rate, and the conduction of P waves to the QRS complex ratio is in the manner of 2:1 or 3:1 or 4:1 manner, and the rhythm is regular. PR interval normal if P wave is followed by QRS, and regarding the QRS, it is normal, but QRS periodically is missing, and sometimes it will be wide. And the management of this second degree AV block is using atropine for bradycardia, and also isoprotenolol is used if very slow rate, and the pacemaker is also needed here in case of second degree AV block. Pacemaker is used as a management in second degree AV block. So this is the image of the ECG presentation in second degree AV block. Next question. Look at the picture and identify the hair problem. What is the hair problem given in this picture? The answer is alopecia areata. Alopecia areata. So what is alopecia areata? It is a condition that causes the hair to fall out in small patches. Here the hair fall occurs in small patches which can be unnoticeable, and these patches may connect, however, and then become noticeable. The condition develops when the immune system attacks the hair follicles. It is occurring because the immune system attacks the hair follicles and causes the hair loss. And the treatment include identify the problem and identify the underlying condition, and also it include the topical scalp medications. That is regarding alopecia areata. Next question. Look at the picture and identify the sign. Look at the picture and identify the sign. The answer is Trousseau sign. So this is a carpopedal spasm. Trousseau sign means it is a carpopedal spasm caused by inflating the blood pressure cuff to a level above systolic pressure for 3 minutes. So what happens is the hand adopts a characteristic posture, and it is elicited in hypocalcemia when the ionized calcium level is 1.75 to 2.25 millimoles per liter. Question. Look at the picture and identify the skin lesion. So what is a skin lesion given here? The answer is basal cell carcinoma. Okay, basal cell carcinoma. So this is a most common skin cancer that is derived from the stem cells of epidermis. This is the cancer and it is derived from the stem cells of epidermis, and the causes include chronic UV ray exposure, ultraviolet light exposure, then radiation, then immunosuppression, and also genetic factors. So this cancer typically appears as a white waxy lump or a brown scaly patch on sun-exposed areas such as face and neck. And the treatment include prescription creams or surgery to remove the cancer or radiation therapy. Next question. Look at the picture and identify the surgical procedure. The answer is transurethral resection of the prostate. Transurethral resection of the prostate, TURP. So it is a urological operation. Transurethral resection or TURP is a urological operation which is used to treat the benign prostatic hyperplasia, and it is performed by visualizing the prostate through the urethra and removing the tissue by electrocautery or sharp dissection. That is TURP. The next question. Look at the picture and identify the post-mastectomy exercise. So identify this post-mastectomy exercise. The answer is rope turning. So in this rope turning, tie a light rope to a door knob and stand facing the door. Take the free end of the rope in the hand on the side of surgery and place the other hand on the hip. With the rope holding arm extended and held away from the body, that is nearly parallel with the floor, turn the rope making as wide swings as possible, which is a post mastectomy exercise. The next question. Look at the picture and identify the surgical procedure. Here the answer is cutaneous ureterostomy. Cutaneous ureterostomy. So that means it's a creation of a stoma. That means a new artificial outlet for a ureter or kidney. And the procedure is performed to divert the flow of urine away from the bladder when the bladder is not functioning or it has been removed. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you like this video. You can also give your comments in the comment box. Yeah.